Hey there, I want to show you some new features in Edpuzzle. Now, Edpuzzle is an amazing tool where you can either create your own videos or use videos that are online in YouTube and embed questions in there. So the video will come along, pause, questions, and you get to see all of the results of students answering those questions. It is an amazing tool for checking students' understanding. So you can see that you can start here and choose grade levels, let's say 9th grade computer science, and basically you can search all through here, or by country as well. There you go. So you can search through all of the content that they already have here in Edpuzzle. You can look at the stuff that's in the school already, or you can just go straight to YouTube and do a search up here, okay? And grab a video and then start playing. What I want to show you here is a new feature in Edpuzzle, and that is I've gone to the Chrome Web Store and looked up this Edpuzzle add-in and added it to Chrome. What that means is I've now got this little icon here at the top of my bar, and what I can do is do my own screen recording. So I'm going to choose that microphone, and this camera is being used right now, so normally I'll be able to select a camera. I've only got one camera, so I'm going to go start recording. So this allows me to do a screen recording of what's on the screen, and I'm recording right now. I might be able to be working in OneNote or something like that, and be able to pause and add questions in, multiple choice or open-ended questions. So I'm going to hit this little icon here and go stop recording. So now here's my screen recording that I just did before.
So this allows me to do a...
Alright, I can hear the voice coming in there. So there's not much on this screen recording, it's pretty boring. But if I was doing OneNote or something like that, something interesting, I can trim the video, so cut parts out that I don't want, add a thumbnail, make it public or make it private, that sort of thing. So I'm going to say, yep, I want to upload that. The name's a little bit boring, isn't it? So let's change the name. Let's just call this test screen recording. Awesome. So let's save that and click upload video. Okay, so now I can do the things that I can do with any other video that I've got into Edpuzzle. So this is my nice screen recording. So I can cut things out. So I can add a cut in here, and I can move bits, remove bits of the movie and all of that sort of thing. So let's reset it. So let's say I'm happy with that, but I can certainly cut the start and the end out. I can do a voiceover if I want, so I can record over the top of a segment of the video. This is great if you find a YouTube video and you want to record your own voiceover, a section of it or all of it. And the last bit is probably the most popular one, and that is questions. So I can type in questions. Here's my let's do 3 different possible answers. Yep, and I'm going to say that that one there is the correct one. And so let's go along to this part of the video, pause it there, and we're going to add an open-ended question. Okay, we can allow audio responses from students if we want to, and save that. So you can see that I'm building these questions as we go along. So I can pause, add these questions, or I can just add a note if I want to as well. So this is just a note that you will see on the video as it goes along, and the video will pause when it gets to any of these. Okay, great. So I'm finished with that. I can go back and edit any of those. So I could share that if I want to. So let's have a look at what this looks like.
So this allows me to do a screen.
Okay, video pauses. I answer it, submit, correct, continue. Video goes along. The next one is coming up here, so students can see these questions.
OneNote or something like that.
And the video will pause there. I can give an answer, or I can answer with audio. Submit, continue. And then lastly, I embedded a note in here. So pause. It's just going to be a note. Continue. That's it. So I've done my screen recording. I can then assign it to one of my classes. When you're assigning it to your classes, you can prevent skipping, which means that the classes have to watch the whole video. They can't skip over anything. So here's all my classes down the left. I can assign it to one or multiple classes, and you can see if I can assign it to everybody, or I can assign it manually to specific students as well. Alright, so That's it. So let me assign it to this one here. So now if I look at it from this screen here, that I'll be able to see all of the students' names down here, how much of the video they watched, the grade that they got, and I can look at individual questions, see who got it right and who got it wrong. This gives me some great information about the understanding of my students as they've gone through the video. That's a real basic introduction. I know it's a couple of minutes here on Edpuzzle, but basically take a video from anywhere or record one yourself, embed questions, and then be able to have those students go through, watch the video and interact with the video with questions embedded inside it as they go through.